Hi everybody, thanks for watching. It's been a week or so since I've done any videos, but been busy. Took a little break, did a dirt bike race, which I had fun with. I'm not sure you care or not, who cares. But what I'm doing today is out raking hay, and I thought I would get a few other things filmed while I'm at it. I gotta put some refrigerant in this tractor. It's got a slow leak. I haven't had time to go through and fix it. It'll probably be a wintertime project. Replace all those little O-rings and stuff. But I've tried to film 3 times this summer some stuff on our rake, and 3 times I've taken a picture and talked to myself for the next 10 minutes. So I'm sure it's recording now because I can see it recording. The other thing I'm doing is I'm out here raking up this wheat hay, and this stuff didn't turn out how we wanted, but I'll explain that in a minute. What I'm going to do right now, since our old ass tractor had to make up my own circuit opener right there. Alright, so what you got to do to open this up is be on the move, because it'll scrape the tires across the ground and cause some damage. Just like that. Alright. I'll get myself turned around. So yeah, what we got here is a valve. All it is a fascie valve back there. Turn the engine around. It's just a big fascie valve back there. I'll get a closer look at it in a minute. But yeah, with this, the functions are pretty self-explanatory right there. But I gotta have that open so everything works. Alright. Alright, so I'm sure somebody out there is gonna think that we have a ridiculously overpriced rake. If you want to know how much they cost, then go ahead and find out. Seems like anytime a farmer talks about how much something costs, it rubs people the wrong way. So if you want to know, then go find out for yourself. For those of you who do know how much these things cost, they used to seem ridiculously overpriced to us too, but we need a high capacity, heavy duty rake, and this is it. There's obviously others out there. We got a bit of a good deal on this one. It's a leftover stock, so we saved a few bucks on it. It was brand new though when we got it. Yeah, this is just a big old fascie valve right here. Had a leak a little while ago. Should probably replace that O-ring, but it stopped. Yeah, it's a Allen and Logan Manufacturing Company is the name of them, and the model 8603. But for our needs, these things work wonderful. But I'll just give you a look here at what goes on. I mean, it's pretty simple adjustment. You can take these chains, and with these 2 slots, you can adjust a half link at a time how far these go, how heavy they'll set on the ground. Anyway, but I did a lot of adjusting on the second cutting on those because we got so much rain. The rain was, or the alfalfa was coming up through the windrows, and we had to just scrape the stuff off the ground as best we could. You can see there's some dead stuff right here. This field over here, we're gonna put the wheat in once we get this hay up. And the other part of what I haven't done, I was gonna do updates on this wheat, but there wasn't a whole lot of update about it. It didn't grow very tall. we had regrowth from the last time, and it grew really thick. You can see the rows right here. Grew nice and thick, but it only grew up about this tall. We got a ton of rain for the monsoon, but it was cool weather and not a lot of nice sunny days like today. But we got something out of it right here, as you can see. So we'll just get what we can out of it. We're thinking this stuff's gonna grow back, and we'll let it grow for the winter. Cut it kind of early next year and plant alfalfa back in here. And we're also gonna do wheat over there. So we're gonna have a ton of, more than a ton, a lot of this wheat hay. We've sold all that we've put up these past few years, so. But that's what's going on with this. We were hoping for big monster windrows, but there's something to it. But all of our alfalfa, you can see over there, that wasn't too good because it's just the oldest stand. We'll plow out a half a circle at a time. Easier for us to manage that way. We got lots of reasons why. But yeah, all the alfalfa's looking good, so we can't complain about that. So, yeah, off we go to rake some hay. All right, so I just put some ear plugs in because it's gonna get really loud here. So what I gotta do is turn the air conditioning system up to high, run the RPMs up so that the compressor is spinning really fast. I'll try and get the camera kind of close in there, but it is gonna be really loud. So, but that's just part of it. All right, what I'm gonna do here, turn that all the way up, low to high, run the RPMs up some. Okay. can. Got all cold. All right. Yeah, she's cold now. Good boy, Matsu. All right. Well, it's all better for now. But like I said, it's leaking. Wintertime project for the new shop that we just put up. That at some point I'll show you guys. I haven't done any filming on building it. But yeah, I got a brand new shop. Awesome.